If you've got a vegetable garden and you've got slugs and snails headed towards your newly planted seedlings, you're going to want to stop that. There are three options. You can either poison them, and most people don't want to do that. You can stay up at night and go out with a torch and catch the slugs, and not too many people want to do that either. Or you can build yourself a slug and snail trap, and it's easy to do. We'll show you how. And all you're going to need to make the snail trap is a plastic soft drink bottle or something similar. So what we're looking at doing is cutting a window down in the bottom of the bottle about 2 inches, 5 centimetres from the bottom of the bottle, and it's probably about 2 inches wide and 2 inches high. So we've cut the window in this side of the bottle. We'll do one in the other side at the same height. We'll remove this little flap from the top as well. We've just used a sharp knife to do that. You can use a saw, you could use scissors, you can use, well, really anything you like. You can see the windows about the same height each side of the bottle. The next thing to do is to start putting our bait in. This is basically a beer trap. However, we're going to use a little substance that really helps attract those snails and slugs a lot more than simply beer by itself. And here we have it, Vegemite. This is a yeast extract, and if you haven't got Vegemite in your cupboard, then you can use some other form of yeast extract, or you can just use straight beer. You don't need a lot of this, just about 1/3 of a teaspoonful. We've got our Vegemite in there. All we need to do now is to place this in the garden, fill it up with about 1 inch of beer. Make sure that when you do put it in the garden, you've dug it in so that this lip here is sitting at soil level. That allows the snails and slugs to walk straight in for a drink. Put about 1 inch of beer into the bottom of the trap, leave it overnight, and the next morning you're going to find that the slugs and snails will have found their way into the trap, into the beer, and that's the end of them. You can simply empty the trap into your compost bin, refill it with beer, and use it again. It's as simple as that. So that's it from the Veggie Patch. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on all sorts of things to do with vegetable gardening, general gardening, and in fact, everything that you'd like to know about plants. Visit the website for more information, and as always, good luck with your gardening and good luck with your Veggie Patch.